Welcome to this new video. Let's learn.
Hello dear aspirants, it is very difficult to complete all the novels and remember all the characteristics and theme of the novel. So instead of doing hard work, let's do some smart work for literature. So it is very helpful for your UGC NET and KCET exam. Make a notes like this. So here the first one is famous English literature quotes. To be or not to be, that is the question. It is from the work Hamlet, written by William Shakespeare. So remember that sentence or the quotation and which work it contains and who wrote this. This line is from one of Shakespeare's most iconic plays and it encapsulates the central theme of existential questioning and the struggle with morality. So what is the theme of the novel and who wrote this and what is the famous quote? Second one, it was the best of times, it was the worst of times. A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. Remember that the work is A Tale of Two Cities. It was the best of times, it was the worst of time by Charles Dickens. This line is the opening sentence of the novel. Remember that it was the best of time and it was the worst of time. It is the opening sentence of the novel. Sets of tone for the constructing theme of the story, reflecting and tumultuous period of the French Revolution. It is like confusing and excited period of French revolutions. And next, it is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of wife. The novel Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. This line humorously highlights the societal expectation of marriage and wealth in the 19th century, a central theme in Austen's novel. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, this is a way or this is a smart work so that you can remember main line of that novel and the theme and then who wrote the novel and which novel it is. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 4 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಗಳು ರೇಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಕೊಟೇಶನ್ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಲೈನನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯಾರು ಬರೆದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಹೂ ರೋಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ವಿಚ್ ನಾವೆಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ನಾವೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ರೇಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.